What is up, everyone? It's your girl Nalyssa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know I've been MIA for a while, but I'm ready to get back into the flow of things. And what better way to get back onto YouTube than doing a review of the new Bretman Rock X Wet n Wild palette. I normally don't go out of my way for like collaborations, but I love Wet n Wild. I love Bretman Rock. And it just so happened that the week leading up to this, I was literally, before I even knew this was coming out actually, I was literally like telling myself, I need a new colorful palette. This happened to release and I thought that was a sign. So I've already played with the colors. As you can see, it's been used, the palette has been used. I've used every single color in the palette because I wanted to get a good sense of the palette before I go speaking on it. So this is not a first impressions. I have used this before. So I just wanted to say that, and I will let you guys know what I think about the palette at the end. So if you guys want to see me do my makeup and see what I think about this palette, then please keep watching. Okay. So I'm thinking the best way I'm going to go about this is just doing two different eye looks on each eye because I really want to use just about every color. I'm gonna pick up the color Flaming Hoe. I'm gonna put Flaming Hoe on the upper part right here and I'm gonna blow it out to my eyebrow. And I'm going to just kind of do both at the same time, so that way I'm mimicking it, if that makes any sense. So for the bluer eye, I'm going to use Anaconda. Well, Anaconda. And for this eye, I'm going to pick up the color Feline myself.
Just to clear up any confusion, the color is actually going on the blue eye and I'm just going to put it on the outer V. Then I'm going to pick up the color Two Can Play That Game and put it on the outer V of my left eye. So I'm just picking up Pounce on them and I'm going to pack that onto the lid, excluding the inner corner. And then I just pick up Two Can Play That Game and blend the two colors together. Then I reach for a Liar and a Cheetah and I pack this on the inner corner and on top of Pounce on them. Then I pick up the shade Prowl and I pack this on the inner corner and drag it along my crease for a cut crease effect. So I'm basically just going to mimic what I did on the other eye. So I pick up the shade Venomous and I pack that onto the lid, excluding the inner corner. Then I mix the shades Deeper and Feline myself, so that way I can deepen the outer V. This was a little hard to do because Deeper isn't really a matte shade, but it's not really a shimmer shade either. So I dip in a lot to the same colors and just keep playing and blending until I achieve the look that I want. I then pick up the shade Big Peacock Energy and I pack this all on my lid. And then you'll see me eventually, I pick up a blender brush and I just try to diffuse any harsh lines. And for the inner corner, I'm going to pick up King of the Jungle.
So I am pretty much done with the eyes. I am going to clean up all of the fallout, which I don't know if you can tell, there was quite a bit, which I knew would happen, which is why I did my eyes first. And then as I'm cleaning up, I am going to just pretty much make this into a point. Okay, so this is the eye look. I'm going to do my face off of camera and I will be right back.
So this is the final look. I honestly loved how my makeup turned out. As far as the shades go, I would say Anaconda, Deeper, and Don't Be Lying are my least favorite shades. They just weren't as easy to work with or as vibrant compared to the other shades in the palette. And if I'm being completely honest, the shade Anaconda, I actually had to scrape the first layer off before I could get any sort of color payoff. I don't know if that was just me, but I just wanted to put that out there. Overall, this is a $15 palette with 15 shades, and you truthfully get some amazing shimmers and mattes. And I don't know if this was planned, but if you're looking at this palette and you don't know what to do, if you took each individual row and used the 3 colors in them, you can create some beautiful looks, which is what I'm showing in this clip here. So overall, I like the palette. I cannot wait to use it again. You guys let me know what y'all think. And if you've made it to the ending of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.